Sony have released a new speaker system that is technically an alternative to a soundbar, at least your typical soundbar. So they're calling this the Sony Bravia Theater Trio speaker system. Basically, they launched this along with the new Sony Bravia 9 Mark II LED TV as well as their Bravia 7 Mark II LED TVs. So let's discuss the Sony Bravia Theater Trio speaker system. It's a new type of speaker system that they have worked on. First of all, the company already have similar premium speaker system. They already had the Sony Bravia Theater Bar 9. Remember that model? So it had its own unique design. So they are basically coming up with something unique in its own way. So let's discuss this model because it's an interesting model. It comes in a 5.1.2 channel configuration. That's the basic configuration that this speaker system comes in. It supports both Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. That's the support you're getting here, which is fantastic. And the most important thing here is that it's powerful. It's powerful in terms of its output. Vocals are quite good. The bigger picture here is that bass will be strong as well when you are playing back content, but the company is more or less looking at an aesthetics than anything. So now what they've done with the design is that the trio speaker system comes in a 3 speaker setup. That's the way they've worked on it. It's a power 3 speaker system. It has a left, center and right channel speakers. They will let you place your main speakers on either side of the TVs. That's your left and the right. And the most important thing here is that these left and right speakers will have a dispersion that can create that illusion that you're in a bubble. That's one thing they have done here. So they are setting this as a soundbar replacement, more or less. They are trying to give you that alternative. In fact, one of the most important thing here is that Sony claims that because of the design, the Trio supports up to 2 powered subwoofers. In fact, which is incredible. Now, the Trio's sound system is actually a sound system, not a soundbar. It has up-firing drivers. It has up-firing drivers that creates that high effects that you can expect from a Dolby Atmos speaker system. And also the Sony Bravia Theater Trio is compatible with all Sony's current rear speakers and subwoofers that they sell right now, which includes the Bravia Theater Rear 8, the Rear 9, the surrounds, the Rear 9 surround speakers. The subwoofers they sell is the Bravia Theater Subwoofer 7, the Subwoofer 8, the Subwoofer 9. So they have all these subwoofers. They're actually powered subwoofers, so it makes it easy for one to decide what subwoofers they want to have in their system. And also, like I said, it can actually take 2 subwoofers basically, so you can have a proper dual setup. You can have a 5.2.2 channel Atmos system with this configuration. Is one of the things that they are trying to let clients know before they get their hands on it. The subwoofer is powerful enough for most rooms, and the Trio also is coming with one HDMI cable from the one HDMI port, so you can connect one HDMI cable from your TV, your projector to the soundbar. Oh, sorry, not soundbar, but your sound system, and you are good to go basically. Like I said, it supports Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. That's something you're getting here. And also it's even is certified with IMAX enhanced. So these are things you need to know. You get Wi-Fi 6E. There is Apple AirPlay 2. It's a decent model, and it comes with this style of microphone. They're calling it the Bravia Theater Trio microphone. It's actually a new calibration microphone that plugs into the USB-C port of your Android device, even your Apple device, and it will help you calibrate this sound system to get the best out of it. So now we have to now discuss price, because price is where things get interesting. So now, if you want to buy the brand new Sony Bravia Theater Trio, it's going to be available from the 1st of June, and it's priced at $2,199, or literally $2,200. I'm going to drop all the necessary information for you guys down below so you can check it out. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.